Hello everyone, my name is Ben Decker, and in this video I'm going to go over a trade I did today in SPX that I posted in the tastytrade options Facebook group. I had a couple of requests to do a short video on it, so I'm going to go through the trade here now. So the trade was started out as a short Iron Condor in SPX, which is the S&P 500 index. You can't trade stock in here because it's an index, but you can trade options. So if we go into the option chain here, you can see that SPX has expirations every single Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And the third Friday of every month, there is a special AM settled expiration. So that's here. So what that means is whatever the price is at the open Friday morning for SPX, that's what all the options will settle to. So typically it's the end of the day, but these here are AM settled. So I don't like to hold any options overnight, Thursday night into Friday in AM settlement, just because you can't make any changes after the close on Thursday. So if there's a big move overnight, there's nothing you can do. So I started out with a short Iron Condor. So I had the shorts at the 10 delta this morning. I did $40 wide in SPX. I did the same thing on the put and the call side. And originally I got 130 for it. So I'll pull up the risk graph here just so you can see. So I took in 130. Max loss was just under $4,000. SPX today traded in a range, so really cooperated with me. So put the trade on this morning for $1.30, and this afternoon I could have closed it for 50 cents or $50. I wanted to take a little bit more of a gamble today, so instead of closing it for $50 profit, I looked into what I could do to take off the risk. And what I decided on was to add a long Iron Condor around the short Iron Condor and basically make it into 2 debit spreads on the call side and 2 debit spreads on the put side. So just highlight the original short Iron Condor, and then I put the long Iron Condor, so I had the long strike closer to at the money and the short strike further away. And that took all my risk off the table, and I was able to do that for 105. So I put in the short Iron Condor for $1.30, and I bought the long Iron Condor for $1.05. So that locked me into a 25 cent or $25 profit. So that's why I said that I have no risk in this trade, because it's a $25 profit here. So I'll go into curve mode here. So this was my original short Iron Condor. And when I add the long Iron Condor around it, here's what the P&L graph looks like. So in between 36.60 and 37.65 about, that's where my $25 profit is. And as you can see, past the first debit spread, I have a chance of making an extra 500, and if SPX really moves, I have a chance of making $1,000. It's not very likely, but there is a chance that SPX has a big move. So basically, just to recap, I took a short Iron Condor, bought a long Iron Condor around it. I took off the risk, and I kind of changed the trade. So the short Iron Condor right away, I didn't want the stock to move. I made this adjustment, and now I want a big move overnight. So that was the trade. If you guys have any questions, feel free to put it in the comments, and I will answer it as soon as I can. If you like the video, hit like and subscribe to me if you want to see future videos. Thank you very much.